What's up, everyone? My name is Dora, and you're watching Creative Bath Lab. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make hair butter, which targets dry, frizzy hair and split ends. As you can see, this stuff is amazing. Me on the left is before I used hair butter, the one on the right is after, and I didn't do anything to my hair other than apply the hair butter. If you want healthier, shinier, or softer hair, then you're in the right place. Hair butter can be applied in different ways, including a mask, a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, or a balm. As always, check out the description for helpful information like the recipe, tips, updates, the supply list, and more. The Panthenol powder is totally optional. For the oil phase, use butter and oil of your choice. And I try to avoid using more than one emulsifying wax in a recipe, but this wax combination worked best. For more emulsifying wax information, click the information icon in the top right corner. Heat the oil phase until everything is melted, then heat the water phase to roughly the same temperature. Combine the two phases with a stick blender. Once the mixture is below 150 degrees Fahrenheit, add the fragrance oil and preservative. The mixture will thicken as it cools. Cure hair butter for 24 hours. During this time, the butter will develop structure and a thicker consistency. Package the hair butter in a squeeze bottle or a short and wide container, like these. They'll be linked in the description. I added a bit of mica for some sparkle, because you know, why not? This hair butter is the perfect consistency for hair application. This is what you want. Hi. Okay, so this is my hair, and as you can see, where the root is, it's fine. But where all the damage is at the ends, where it's been colored and dyed. And it's just like really like dry and frizzy. So for the hair mask, section your hair in one or a few ponytails and apply the hair butter to dry hair, which in my case is mainly the ends. Thoroughly work the butter in your hair so that it's coated well. Wrap your hair or pin it up and let it sit for a while, like 30 minutes to an hour. You could even lightly heat the hair butter for deeper penetration. After, rinse your hair, as you normally would. To use it as a conditioner, you're going to apply it to your hair as you normally would. So I normally only apply conditioner to the dry areas of my hair. So that's what you would do here. To use it as a leave-in conditioner, after washing your hair while it's still wet, apply a little bit to damaged hair, focusing on the ends. To use it as a hair balm, warm a little bit between your palms, then rub it on small sections at a time, focusing on frizzy areas. Okay, so don't apply the hair butter to your roots or otherwise healthy areas of your hair, or else it may be too greasy. It also turns frizzy, dry pieces of hair into soft, bouncy curls. It's not often that I'm amazed with my own formulations. The results speak for themselves. I honestly had no idea how great it was until I watched this video and saw the before and after shots. However, right here, I'm kind of like in amazement. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm just like, I just can't believe how soft and nice my hair was, and this is of course without any touch-ups. I didn't touch my hair, didn't add any other product or anything like that. 99% of the time I just put my hair up. Sometimes if I'm in the right mood, I may straighten the ends for a punk rock ponytail or messy bun. And on really special occasions that coincide when I'm also in the mood to fix my hair, I'll wear extensions. This happens no more than twice a year, but I'm sharing this with you because for me, they're a game changer. I could curl my hair, but it's just not worth it because 1, it takes over an hour. 2, after 30 minutes outside in the humidity, my hair looks nothing like it did when I left the house. And 3, the extensions look better anyways. This pack of $15 extensions gives me confidence and makes me feel beautiful. You may have to fix the top layer of hair so that it matches the extensions, but the entire process takes about 20 minutes. Or you can always just pin the extensions up in a really sexy hairdo. I will link these extensions in the description. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week for the tutorial, which is going to be great. I don't want to give too much away, but I will say it's just in time for Christmas.